Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by exporting the sticker images from WhatsApp so you can use them elsewhere. First, find the pack in your file manager or use a sticker export app and extract every sticker as PNG or WebP. Once done, make sure each image has a transparent background and is roughly 512 by 512 pixels for predictable results. Then rename files logically and put them in a single folder so you don't lose track. These steps let you convert and upload clean images for Instagram use. Now you convert the exported files into an Instagram-friendly format. If the sticker is static, convert WebP to PNG with transparency. If animated, render a small transparent GIF or appng and optimize it under about 5 MB. Once converted, batch resize and save at 72 dpi so the image loads fast. Next, upload the GIF sticker to a GIF hosting service that integrates with Instagram, for example, a Giphy artist channel, and tag it clearly. Finally, add the sticker to Instagram and test it. Upload the converted sticker to your Giphy artist account and make the upload public with relevant tags so Instagram can index it. Once approved, open Instagram, create a story or reel, tap the GIF sticker tool, and search your tag to place the sticker where you want. If the sticker doesn't appear, make sure your Giphy account is public and approved, the file meets size and format rules, and tags are correct. Those checks usually fix indexing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.